Good morning. Today is Friday, January 12, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, January 12, 2024. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for January 12, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, January 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.